everyone, today we're going to answer some question number 6, 7, 8, and also a discussion question as well. So today's topic is that the ethical dilemmas, should we get rid of mosquitoes or not? So first, let's move on to the first question. How is gene drives mediated inheritance different from traditional Mendelian inheritance? So how is it much different? So as you know that gene drive mediated is transferred faster than normal or traditional Mendelians because it is spread faster or the normal 50% of these inheritance. Secondly, is what would be potential advantage of using the gene drive technology to fight malaria? So it's also used to increase the amount of less of these amount of mosquitoes and also stop spreading longer or faster diseases. No stop from these diseases. No stop making population of mosquitoes. They stop population of mosquitoes as well also as getting lesser disease of these mosquitoes. No also over the stop these population of all mosquito spreading, and also as well like that will also stop the kind of diseases spread. 8 is what kind of ecological studies are needed to understand the potential environmental impact of using gene drive technology. So we all know that what of kind of study that we can help. Firstly, we need to talk about what is the food, what is the kind of food that we the food web. Secondly, is the ecological of consequences, also ecological studies, potential environment, what's the environment impact, and gene drive. So what kind of ecological study? So we need to studies on the food web. You need to talk about the environment. You also need to research about the potential of ecological and psychological as well. Moving on to the last question of today, what do you think the consequences might be releases to gene drive mosquito that suppress the population of mosquito? So what kind of consequences? Firstly, they can happen to spread diseases. Secondly, they can be if we release a gene drive mosquito that suppress population of mosquito, there might be having population more populations increases. Secondly, they can also use a lot of diseases between humans, and they also get population of mosquitoes more spread and worldwide. They also cause lots of different kinds of these dilemma that our researchers can step on. If we release these kind of gene drive mosquito, there also consequences might be for our own environmental, for our health, and for many kind of things as well. So mosquitoes are suppressed population of mosquitoes, which can also suppress these and increase the amount of populations. So this is why I think that the consequences might be releasing a gene drive mosquito that suppress a population of mosquito can cause lots of damages to our own health and lots of damages to our own environmental impact as well. So those are my end of my answer quick question. Thank you for listening and goodbye.